Hello there, Hallmark here. In today's video, I'm going to do a pretty cool review of this solar animal repeller that I got. We've never had good luck with our chickens. We have owls and other predators in the area that always seem to get them, whether it be the neighbor's dogs or whatever. But this year in the spring, we're going to do brand new chickens and we're going to use these solar animal repellers. So Pest X, I bought this off Amazon and I thought we'd try it out. I put a link down in the description so you can go get your own. It'll probably be an affiliate link, just so you know. But let's see what this thing's all about. Alrighty, here it is. Kind of a small box. I'm interested to see what's in here. Alrighty, it's something else. Alrighty, solar powered Pest X. Supposed to replicate the red eyes and keep them away, aerial predators mainly. It works on ground predators too, but I'm going to use it for my chicken coops. And this little kit comes with 4 of them, which is pretty neat. You can put them all around your chicken coops, your sheds, garages, whatever you need to do there. Looks like we have a warranty card. Registration to get lifetime warranty. That is pretty cool. So it has a lifetime warranty, so I guess if they break or don't work, you can send them in and they'll fix them or send you new ones. Alrighty, here's a little instructional guide. Solar Animal Repeller User Guide. It's pretty cool. Tells you how to use it. Press down on the power button to turn on. Mount the unit at the eye height of the predator you want to deter. Then it gives you a cool little fancy chart here of all the different ones. Looks like for owls and hawks, it'll be 8 feet is what I'll have to do. But if you had small animals or other things, you could get rid of them like that. Now, closer inspection, it's just a simple plastic box with a solar power there and some LEDs, looks like. Has a mounting hole up top and an on and off switch, which I don't guess these are charged up. So let me get these out here. We'll mount them up around our property. We'll let them charge up and we'll test them out for about a week. Now, if you've been watching the channel for a while, you probably know that I'm doing all my woodworking out in an old storage shed. It was an old garden shed that we got from a buddy of mine, and I've kind of been, working on it here and there, trying to get it into a decent hand tool woodworking shop. But one problem is I haven't really finished all of the roofing, patching, and things, so there are little tiny holes here and there, and I get birds in here all the time, and birds like to poo-poo all over my stuff, and it's kind of annoying. So hopefully this will help for that too. So I'll probably mount some around the shop. And hey, when we get chickens in the spring, we can just move them. They're very mobile. Alrighty guys, the first location is going to be here on this tree facing the garden area. And this should help us when we put our chickens, because we're going to redo this entire area in the spring and put our chickens here in this little chicken yard, so to speak. So let's go ahead and mount this. I've just got some simple weatherproof screws here, some galvanized screws. And I'm just going to mount it as close to 8 feet as I can. There we go. Alrighty, one down. Alrighty guys, for the second one, I'm going to use it for my wood shop. And I'm going to place it here facing the wood shop, hopefully to deter some of the birds from getting on the shop. And we'll install it on this pole, about 8 feet high. So, hey, what's the skinny? What's the deal on this X-Pest system here, these solar animal repellers? Well, I like that they're affordable. I like that they're, it seems pretty durable and well made. I like that they're simple. I don't have to change out batteries or anything. They're solar powered. I can just put them in position and let them go. I like that they're not like a poison type thing. I like that they're just like an infrared kind of light deterrent, because I don't want to like poison animals or anything. I just don't want them near my shop. I don't want them in my garden. I just don't want them in certain areas. So I think a deterrent or a repellent is good and a good option. What are some of the negatives? Well, I don't really know yet. I'm sure in future update videos I can let you know how they last, how durable they are, how the internal batteries, how long they last with the solar charging and all that. So I'm sure that'll come up in the future, but so far I just don't really see anything. I mean, they're just a cheap, easy solution for pest control. I'll continue to monitor the shop to see if it keeps those birds away. And in the spring, we'll have an update video for sure when we do our chicken coop redo. Alrighty guys, well this was a really cool deal. I'm going to save the other two for the springtime when we get our chicken coop set up, and hopefully we can hang on to some chickens this year. Predators just always get us. We're around a lot of woods, and I think there's a lot of aerial predators that get us, so this will be really cool. So I'll put these up and reserve these, but hopefully those two can kind of deter some birds, maybe away from my shop and around the garden area, so could be pretty cool. Well guys, another short and sweet video just showing off that product. I'll leave the link down below so you can go check it out and get some for yourself. Great little company, great little product. Simple, just a solar powered lighting thing that deters birds and such. I'll continue to track it over the next few weeks, and I'll definitely do an update video if you'd like. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any opinions about it. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.